So if you're like me and you want to get rid of all of this chrome and try and black it out on a 2015 Silverado, I figured I would post a quick video to help somebody else out so you don't experience all the problems that I did. Um, I YouTubed a bunch of videos on how to remove the chrome, the grill, and then you have to like loosen this piece right here on the front bumper. And I found out it's super complicated. I don't know why, but it made it impossible to get to all the lug nuts and bolts and etc. just to remove all this stuff. And then apparently this is actually glued on underneath, and then you have to like reapply some glue from some other YouTube video that I was watching, and I was like, that's just ridiculous. So I wasted about 2-3 hours of my time removing all the pop-offs up top here, getting an extension 10mm socket, and then fiddling around with the front bumper trying to get under there just to get to these little sockets there. And no matter what tool I used, I couldn't get to it. So I ended up just giving up, and then I had to put everything back together and then start from scratch again. So I was pretty pissed off. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taping everything off. And a quick way to do this, I found, is if you cut magazine paper out, like the perfect size, and then you can just literally slide it right underneath the chrome there. And then you have the perfect covering there, so you're not getting paint on your headlights. So I figured I'll just post this video just so you have a quick way of doing everything rather than waste your time like me. So there you have it.